Hi guys, ladies, welcome. Right. Let's put this out of the way for now. So what we're going to do today, guys, what we're going to do now, make sure we're on, we are. Right, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to wire up the switches and I'm not sure if they'll be long enough. Let's see, come from the back there right out to the jut right out to the front, but they actually go to here. Yeah, they'll be long enough then, guys, so we can use those. So those are going to be for, these are going to be the high power switch, high and low power attenuator. That's what this is going to be. So it's going to be high power on the blue, low power on the orange, and the grey is going to be the ground. And I'm hoping that these come out. If they don't come out, then right, well, we've got these new wires here. What we can do, we can use, and we're going to either try to get them off. So we can clip that there. There we go. Alright, now we do. We've got 4, we wanted 3 really, so we're going to use green, black and a red. There we go. Yeah, we're getting that done. There you go. Right, so what we'll do for high power, we'll use the bottom one. And we'll use the black as ground. And we'll put heat shrink over them as well. Just does a, just, there we go. Yeah, so that's it. Get that one straight. There you go. the green. Use the green. That's low power. Or it could even be high power. Doesn't see I'm doing that so I can slide the heat shrink down and yeah, I was just watching The Car Wizard. He's an American fella who mends cars. And he was sharing some of his stories with us. There you go. Right. Heat shrinker. Now we'll go for the red one, I think. The red one fit there. We don't need a whole piece of it though. One, two, three. Put that piece back in there. We won't split the end of it yet. Do that when they're ready to go in. That might not even fucking fit there. Oh, it does. Look at that, guys. Tell you what. Move them out of the way. So we don't actually catch them. That middle one's going to be difficult. There we go. Alright. Yes. That's not going to go anywhere, that's good. Now, black. Yeah, these are made, these wires come from USB leads, guys. You know, USB leads are basically are broken, no good. That's what these came from. There we go. There you go. You'll do. That one's already been peeled. Just clip that down a bit. It's only peeled that fucking much. We'll leave it peeled. Just one I have to fucking do, one less I have to do when it comes to doing a minute, guys. Yep. The reason why I don't like them peeled is they're easier to strip rather, because they're easier to do, and that'll need to be pulled up and pulled over. And the good thing about using double switches, when one side of the switch wears, it doesn't work, you can just move the wires over. There you go. That's it. Ouch. We've got a bit over that one there, guys, so what we're going to try and do, yeah, a bit exposed, it wouldn't hurt it, but I don't like it, so yeah, we've cut the insulation. So what we'll do, we'll take this piece, see if it'll slide over. If it does, then all's well. That's it. Make sure we don't do any of them. Oops, move the fucking line away from the green. There we go. That's it. Right. That, guys, is our high-low power. So what we'll do, we'll turn them around now. Not too much. And we just want to turn it down a little bit, just so we get a nice twist. That'll do. Turn it like that. We'll untwist that now, won't it? Get the yellow. The yellow will fit. Clip it down. It saves having cable ties everywhere, doesn't it? Doing it this way. Now what we do, we take there we go. We've got it tight. Now what we do, let's just do that. Put a couple of these further down and stuff. There we go. Sha-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Another one about there. About there should do us. There you go. Right. We probably need another one. So we need another one there. Is this the way to Amarillo? See if we can tuck them away then, you see. Oh shit, I was on the wrong fucking... I melted the fucking insulation there, have I? No. No, I haven't. Right, so we'll put one more piece on, just there. Just a little piece. Shove that on. There you go. See, and that gets you to there. Sha-da-dee-dee-dee. Oops. Just touch it with it and it grips it. Then you just... There you go. That's it. That's the high-low power switch put in. Now we're going to need these extending. So we're going to need these extending. So we're going to need some red and some black. We're going to need to extend these. So see, we can't undo them and change them, so all we can do really just extend them. Which is what we're going to do. What was that? That's scraping on me there. I think it's the edge of the mat. So what we'll do, we'll wrap that round. We won't, because that's the fucking black. What we'll do, we'll bring the black. See, I don't want to just hold them together and melt them on. I'd rather do that. Get a good solid mechanical connection like that. Where's my solder gone? Solder. Solder. See, I'm putting a lot of effort into this, guys. I'm putting a lot of effort in because I don't believe in doing shitty rush jobs. See, they might be too long, but that being said, this is room for me to take it down. These will be going onto the board, the RX and TX. All we do is just do that, look, just wheel it round there like that, run it round. Doesn't matter about this wire being a bit thinner, because it won't draw fuck all anyway, so we're okay. Do the same. This really thin USB wire is really bloody good, guys. Really good for this type of thing. This is really good stuff for this type of work. That's good. We can probably cut some of that off there actually, because we're not going to need all that. So we can probably cut some of that off and it'll do the other wire. Rather than fuck about, it's easier to just do it this way. Been a good day today, guys. We've had a bit of a laugh, to be honest. Steve came, me and Steve had a good laugh. So what I'm going to do now, because there's no way we're going to use that much, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold that over. I'm going to half it. There you go. See, them ones, we'll probably trim them down anyway. This is actually a slightly better wire than the one I did for the channels. There we go. See, these are designed to go in a car dashboard. Oops. Designed to have a car battery connected to them. See what I'm doing here? I'm just wrapping that. The idea is to just hold that just on the edge and wrap it round. Push that back over. That's it. A good sturdy mechanical connection. That's it. We're going to use a bit longer because we want it to span the gap and there's no sharp points there. So see, we don't know. There you go, just hold it on and it just melts down. and then just that just shrinks. It'll last for ages, last for years. This will probably outlive me. I mean, this radio's been around for the last 40 years. Well, 30 odd. Possibly 40 even, yeah. Been around for a long time. And it's still working. When it came in, it was doing over 5 watts. Which is more than what it should be doing. Well more. So I'm supposed to do 4. But you can put a bigger transistor in these, so I believe. I was reading about it. You can put a bigger transistor in these, get more out of them. But we don't really need to bother doing that. And if I was to do that, I wouldn't use the weedy heatsink that's in there. I'd bring the transistor out onto another heatsink. That's it, guys. That's the lights done. Now we're not gonna, well, we could actually, yeah. So we could turn these, but these are a bit thicker, these, so we may have to use a thicker wire for a thicker heat shrink to get down there, but we'll see. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la. Yeah, that's not going to go through. No. Rather than mess about, yeah, I'm not ready for bed yet, guys. I'm still wide awake, to be honest. Now, that might go through. If what we could do is feed 1, then 2, that's 2 through. So if them 2 went, the other 2 are going to go. There's an old saying, if I'm going, he's bloody going and all. Right, so that one's through. Just this one now. Just this red. And it should go. Try and get that a bit straighter. There you go. There you go, guys. I'm not sure which ones is going to be RX and TX, but we'll suss that out. Look at that. Yeah, I'm not sure which will be RX and TX, but we'll suss that out. And we'll find another one of these to put over these 4 joins just to make it look good. That should go through there actually, because that's a, thought I saw someone flash then. That should go through there. There you go. Turn that round, get a bit of a twist on it. There we go. Make sure that we are. Ray Reardon passed away, didn't he, guys? Shame on it. 91 he was. He had a good innings. A bloody good snooker player and all. 6 times he won it. Right, so that's good. And we're not going to do anything about putting cable clamps and stuff on that till they're all wired in. And we're happy, then we'll put cable clamps and stuff in. Then we'll put clamps and stuff in, cable ties to hold everything neat. Right. Right, this is the good bulb or the bad one. This is the good meter, and these are positive and negative dependent because they're LED. So we're going to put black and red. And the good thing is I've got fucking loads of these USB leads. What we'll do, we'll just go to about, see, these are going to be on. I'm not wiring that one because that's got to be replaced. In fact, actually, no, I won't wire them yet because I want to wire them in parallel. Yeah, we'll leave them for now. Right, so we've got, see what we've got. Got high and low power, which is there. Dimmer. Can't put the dimmer on yet because the wires. And we've got a dimmer in here. Did the Harrier CBX have a dimmer? I think it did. That's the tone. I think it was, what do you call it? Tell you what we could do, guys. Yeah. Right. So there's green. So what we could do, we could wire the mic socket. There's green. And put a bit extra in to start with. That'll be more than enough. Make sure we get this right. That's the back. And that's the back. And the green. There, Pops. I can hear you growling and grunting somewhere. Can't we, son? So what we do next? There we go. Now, let's feed. And that's correct. It's a bit fucking long there. You go down any further. Let's clip that a bit, it's a bit long. Don't want it fucking sticking up like that. Extra fucking wire. That should do it. Let's get the soldering iron. The solder, sorry, put it under there. Oh, for fuck's sake, that's made a mess of that. Shit. Yeah, that wasn't fucking very clever. Let's just tin that up. Wasn't clever, that guy. There you go. That's do. At least it would if it stayed in. That's it. We may run a piece of finger down there. Oh shit. There we go. Black. Where's the black? It's the black because we have a black on here. Yeah, now this has got to lift out. So it's brown, grey, black. So Hmm. Just go through a fucking hole. Fucking bastard. Go through a fucking hole, them bastards. On that one. Yeah. I thought they were just fucking soldered in. Might have to replace the bastards. Where's the... Yeah. Go through a fucking hole on this one. That one, the fucking... Don't go through a hole. Yeah. They go through a hole, them bastards. That's going to take some fucking about, isn't it? Yeah, you can see where they go through there. I don't want to break them if I can help it. Because it means I've got to fucking replace the cunt. And this is getting hot. I thought they were just fucking stuck in and that. Yeah, twat. It's a cunt, innit? Can I separate these? Because they're only fucking stuck together with solder. There we go. Alright. 47. 47. Not under 10. So the 47 goes to the brown. Yeah. Got it. Well, we'll let that fucker cool down, that's hot. So what we'll do, we'll straighten this back up. Straighten this back up. And we needn't worry about this, about screen cables going to the mic. They're using these capacitors to deal with that. There we go. So, what colour was that one I got off? That was the brown. So for the brown, we'll use white. Oh no, we could use, yeah, we can't use red if I don't think we've got any left. Oh yeah, we have. Yeah, we have. For the brown, we'll use red. And what we'll do, wrap that round now like that. Let's see what pin the brown goes to. brown goes to opposite the green. I've got that power. Do 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 do. There you go. Tell you what, guys, if you're going to take on a challenge like this, there you go. I'll get that to the same length as the green. Well, actually, I don't think we need them the same, but yeah, we will. That way we can chop some off. So we'll get them to the same length, and then we can chop some off. There you go. And that red's still usable for something else. Now, we'll do the black. Yeah. I enjoy doing these videos, guys. I mean, I've always enjoyed electronics, but doing these videos, it adds a whole new dimension to them, you know. It just adds a whole new dimension to it, guys. Oops, move that off there because I don't want to damage the overheated capacitor if I can help it. This has got to come out. I can see where it's gone in now. It's got to come out. Come on. Right. Doesn't want to go, guys. It's got to. Gotcha. Bucket bit hot on my hand. I've got the right one. Yep. This one goes on the black. You're probably wondering why I'm using second-hand components. These capacitors, guys, to be honest, they never fail. They don't fail, they're very rare. Very rarely do have a problem. And I don't see the point of wasting them, you know. Now what we'll do, we'll solder that together. Do 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 do. Clean the iron. Check the tip. I'll give it a filing tomorrow. Let's see where that one goes. There's the it goes opposite. There's the it goes above the green. It goes above the green. There we go. Goes above the green. You have to put these capacitors in, guys. If you don't, it'll love its tits off. There you go. One of my screws has come out, my soldering iron. Wonder where that's come out. There was 2 screws in there. Now there's only 1. Now we want the grey. And the grey is the last one. Now that hurt. There you go. Just clean that out. That's it. So I can straighten it. And for the grey, we'll use a white. Yeah, we had a new guy on the chat today, a lad called Ray from Canada. Yeah, we had a good chat. And that one goes there. Then all we do, that's going to be long enough, I would imagine it would be. All we do is just that's that. Now what we need to do is these all go to ground, which means we need to put them together like that. And the legs broke off that one, so we're going to have to find a new one for there. Yeah, what is it, a 10? Yeah. Let's have a look on the chassis. See, we've got a 10. I think that might be it. Let's have a look. Something, I can't fucking quite see it. Wonder if the camera would help. See if the phone camera will help. We can read the top one. $103. So 103. So that's a 105. What's this one? It's a 103. There you go. It just keeps giving that fucking radio, doesn't it? That scrapper. It just keeps giving. The gift that just keeps giving. Now, so what we do need to do is take the black off. There you go. Just clip it off. Clip it right there. Right, where's my capacitor? There it is, my replacement. So, all we do there, we put on our new one. So there you go. Now all we do is we solder that back onto the mic socket. Get in there. That's got it. That's there. Lift that round. I need to get these in a position because we don't want to snap that one, do we? So if we lift this one, that one out, there we go. Now this one has to come up and go to there. Make sure we're not shorting anywhere. No, we're not. Let's get that. There you go. And what we'll do with that next, we'll put a wire on that. so we can take it to go to ground. So let's get this round here, that round there, move this. I don't know what kind of wire we're going to put there yet, but we're not worried about that. What we'll do, we'll clip these so that, get these so they're all the same height, length, that's going to be about right. I wouldn't have thought that there'd be any, there you go. I've got the power. Yeah. All we're going to do there, guys, is we're going to send them down to there. We'll send it to there. Hope I wouldn't damage that, no. No, I'm okay. See if we can put these in. What I want to do is turn these, if I can. I'll do. Shrink that and it holds the twist in place. And whoever comes to this in a few years' time, to there. I think that's going to be pretty good. I mean, I'm not using the right colour wire, but I'm using what I've got. So that's the mic wiring done, and we'll keep the mic socket, the old one, so that we can, because we've still got the wires on it, so we know where they go, so we know what colour's what. We know that green is audio, transmit audio. We know that black is receive, I think. Grey is transmit. Black could even be transmit, but grey is transmitter, brown is transmitter, ground. So we'll keep that for now because we're going to need that. So what have we done, guys? What have we accomplished? What have we managed to get done? We've got one of our switches wired up because I need to investigate all these lot yet. decide what we're going to do. And I think this is the dimmer switch. That's mic gain. This is the dimmer. And there's a lot of wires on the dimmer. But this is the dimmer, because you've got these two. You've got the brown, the orange, the yellow. Some of these go to the channel change. So some of these go to the channel change. And two of them at least go, these two of them go to the board, these two. But we're not going to do these now because I don't think we've got enough wire left, and I might order some different coloured wires. May even be able to use these, but we'll look at that tomorrow. So basically guys, we've managed, not got our meters wired up yet, not worried about the meters yet. So we've got the RX and TX lights, got them in position. We've got the high-low power, we're going to use that for the high-low power. We've got the mic all wired in, the mic socket at least wired in, and that's good. So we're starting to get there. I noticed that my knobs are a bit uneven, but hey, it's all done here in the workshop. You've not used any fancy tools. I haven't got any fancy tools, so I like that. It's all done here, guys, by me. Let's turn this soldering iron off. It's all done here by me in the workshop. Let's turn the computer off, the laptop. Oh, was that the right button I pressed? That one was. So what we might do, guys, because I don't like those pins. So what we might do, we might pull them pins out and solder the wires straight through the board onto the connectors. I don't know why Cybernet didn't do that in the first place, instead of using wire wrap pins. I don't like wire wrap pins, I never have. So anyway, I mean, wiring the front like this, wiring the switches, they'll be done on the radio in situ, but and then just put in. But wiring all this stuff, the knobs, the potentiometers that is, but wiring all this stuff, it's easier to wire it on the front like that, and have it like that, and you can see everything. Oh, there we go, guys. Ooh. Right. Right, you join me tomorrow, guys, for another. Yeah, join me tomorrow, guys, for another vintage electronics repair. We might have something in the afternoon, not sure, but we'll certainly be here at 7 o'clock tomorrow night. I'll catch you later, guys. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Oh, remember to like, share, subscribe, and if anybody wants to buy me a coffee, then go ahead. Don't have to, but if you want to, feel free. Bye for now, guys and girls.